Okay, tile problems, very important problems. Remember, you are not always going to get this, so try not to look at these as much as you might need. So let's start with A. The bottom diamond is 9 plus negative 9. That's 0. And the top is 9 times negative 9 is negative 81. For B, it's saying what number plus what number is 0. So if this is x and y, I'm saying what x plus y is 0, and up here I'm saying x times y equals negative 36, right? So I know one of the numbers is negative and one is positive, right? So I can just come up with my multiples of 36. But I can see that when I add them, I get 0. So I know that 6 times negative 6 is negative 36, and 6 plus negative 6 is 0. So this is negative 6 and 6. For C, it's saying 4 times, right, y equals negative 20. So what times 4 is negative 20? Negative 5, right? And then 4 plus negative 5 for the bottom is negative 1. And the last one, it's saying, x times 4/5, or sorry, x plus 4/5 equals 1/2. So we have an equation that we need to solve. So I'll subtract 4/5 from both sides, minus 4/5. So I get x equals, now 1/2 minus 4/5. I'm just going to come over here and do this in case you forget how. 1/2 minus 4/5. I need a common denominator. So I'm going to get 10 to be my common denominator by multiplying by 5/5 or 2/2, which is just 1. So on the left I get 5/10 minus 4 times 2 is 8/10. That's negative 3/10. So x equals negative 3/10, right? So this is negative 3/10 over there. So now I have negative 3/10 times 4/5. I can cancel the 4 and the 10 to be 2 and 5. So I get negative 6/25. Negative 6/25.